Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 12th video lecture of class 5 English. Today's our activity which we have to solve on page number 8 says underline the interjections in the following. Now before we get right into today's activity, we have to actually look at what interjections are. So if you look at this yellow box here, it says the interjection is an exclamation words which show feeling, emotions, anger and delight are called interjections. So the words which show which shows our anger, our feeling, our emotions are actually interjections. It says underline the interjections in the following. Woo, this was a good run. So woo, it is an interjection. We have lost battle, alas, and what a smelly train, and hurrah, we have won the match. These are the interjections here given in these 4 lines, and for the 6th part it says find the interjections in the story. I will leave it to you guys to find the interjections. Make a list of any other interjections you can think of. The other interjections I can think of will be eek. Eek is an expression shows surprise and disgust. Bah, bas, bah, and oh no, oh no. So if you can think of some other, you can write them here too, like huzzah and hooray. So solve it on your books and find the interjection in your story too. Okay, and until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.